5 Best Home Remedies for Vaginal Itching for Women. Vaginal itching is an uncomfortable and painful condition, which is quite difficult to deal with. It can be caused due to several reasons like vaginal dryness or using chemical irritants or dull razors. But in several cases, it can even be due to certain medical conditions, like bacterial vaginosis or sexually transmitted infection. However, the itching is mostly caused due to yeast infection, while irritation on the skin around the vagina could be due to eczema or a skin condition. Internal irritation is mostly considered severe and it is best to consult a gynecologist, but infection around the skin can easily be treated with simple home remedies. Here are 5 simple natural remedies you can try for relief. Before watching this video, please subscribe our channel by clicking the red color button, and press the bell icon, to get all our new video uploads by notification. 1. Baking soda. Taking a bath with baking soda can help to treat yeast infections and reduce skin irritation. As per a 2013 study, baking soda has antifungal properties, which can kill irritation-causing bacteria. Put 1/4 cup of baking soda in your bath or make a paste and apply it on the skin. 2. Apple cider vinegar bath. Just like baking soda, taking a bath with apple cider vinegar may also help to soothe an infection. Apple cider vinegar has antifungal and antibacterial properties, which prevents the growth of bacteria. Put 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar in water and take a bath with it for relief. 3. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is not only healthy for cooking food but is also good for the skin. A 2016 study revealed that coconut oil can kill bacteria causing yeast infections. Take a few drops of coconut oil on your fingers and rub it properly on your skin. 4. Probiotic foods. Eating food items containing probiotics promote the growth of healthy bacteria and can help to get rid of the nasty infection. Probiotic foods are good for your vagina as well as your gut. When suffering from vaginal issues, include kombucha, kimchi and yogurt in your diet. 5. Essential oil. Some essential oils are also effective in treating infection. Tea tree and oregano are the 2 most effective oils that you can use for itchy vagina. Their antifungal properties can kill a range of yeasts and fungi. Take 2 to 3 drops of oil in your hand and apply it on the outer skin of the vagina. When to see a doctor. If your infection stays for more than 5 days, then consult a gynecologist, as it may be due to other medical conditions. Other than that, if you experience any one symptoms of these symptoms, then it is best to visit a doctor. Pain during urination or sex. Swelling or redness in the genital area. Blister in the vulva. Foul odor. Discharge that looks like cottage cheese. Other things that can help. Get a new razor for yourself, as dull razor can aggravate the skin around your vagina, causing irritation and redness. Wear loose and wearable clothes. Tight clothes can cause discomfort and can lead to irritation. Do not use very harsh soap to clean your vagina. This can disturb its natural and healthy bacteria. We hope this information may be helpful to you. Please comment about this video. Hit like and share this video with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.